Hello everybody, welcome to the All Previous Year YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you the paper of Odisha Police Constable which held exactly today, which is on 26th of February 2023. Yes student, this is the official paper of Odisha Police Constable which is held today, and today I am going to discuss with you the exact paper, that what kind of questions were asked in this in this examination, and what is the difficulty level of all the subjects. So as you can see in my screen that this examination was written examination, and the time duration of this examination was 120 minutes. Number of question asked is 100. For 100 marks, like 1 mark for each correct question, and there will be a negative marking of 0.25 marks for each wrong answer. Okay, so let's go and discuss the paper, that what kind of questions were asked in this paper. So the very first section is of English section, and as you can see on my screen, the very first question, which of the following word describe the word tutor, which means you have to select the correct answer, that which means which of the following word describes the word tutor. So what is the meaning of tutor? The one who teaches you. So who teaches you? Writer, teacher, lab assistant, or school warden. So the correct answer here is teacher. Okay, select the word which means the opposite word of the word true. So this is very simple question, and the correct answer is false. The next question is choose the correct meaning of the given idiom. So this is what is the meaning of once in a blue moon? Something which happens very rarely. Something which happens very rarely. So the correct answer is option A. In which order will the sentence in a paragraph reappear? So this is the question of rearrangement. I'm not going to give you the answer of this question, but you just see that this is very simple question asked in the paper. The next question is select the word which complete the given sentence. They saw a movie dash the theater. So you know, where will we see movie? On the theater, at the theater, with the theater, or from theater? Okay, so they saw a movie, ठीक है, on the theater या फिर at the theater. You can select the correct answer. Next question, they correctly spelled word is, which is a correctly spelled word here? So the correct answer is B, behavior. Select the word which means the opposite word popular. So what is the meaning which is opposite to popular? Unseen, unclear, unwanted, or undoubted. So what is the meaning of popular? Something which is very wanted by a person, which is very, you know, something which is very popular, something which is wanted by everybody. So the correct answer is unwanted. Next question, select the most appropriate word to fill in the blanks. Pilot must abstain dash alcohol for 24 hours before flying. So this is the question from fill in the blanks question, and you have to just fill the correct answer. In this paper I am not going to discuss with you the correct answer of all the questions. I am just briefing you the difficulty level. So this question is from the fill in the blanks, and it is very simple question. Find the incorrectly spelled word attendance, occur, receive, and syllabus. Okay, next, so we have seen two questions from correctly or misspelled word already. Which word describe the act of rising high? Okay, fly, speed, raise, or sky. Next question, the part of the sentence in the bracket has error. Select the, so I have already said that error spotting is a very trendy topic in all the examinations right now, and you have seen, and as you can see that one question from error spotting is also asked in this examination. Next question is select the word or words which complete the sentence. The sun is dash at the moon. So again a question from fill in the blanks chapter. Next, select the alternative that will improve the underlying part of the sentence. So this question is from a sentence improvement chapter. You just have to pick the correct option, which can replace don't quarrel in this sentence without changing its meaning. Okay, next question is which of the following words is used to describe actions and activities in grammar? So which part of the grammar describe any action or activity which is done by subject? So definitely verb is the correct answer here. Next, select the words to fix the spelling mistakes in the given sentence. So here four options are given, and you have to pick the correct the option which have correct spellings in the option. Okay, next, so here these are the 15 questions of English subject, and as you can see the major topics were fill in the blanks. Okay, major question from fill in the blanks for chapter were asked, and no question from synonyms or antonyms, but very similar type of pattern were asked, like what is, as you can see on the first question, that the very first question asked here is Which of the following word describe the word tutor? So this is not something which is totally related to synonym or antonym, but very similar to that kind of questions. Okay, our misspelled questions were asked, and you have to insert preposition or conjunctions, parajumble, such kind of questions were asked in the English section. Okay, let's move forward, and we have next section, that is math section or quantitative aptitude section. So here it is written how many whole numbers are there between 0 to 10. Okay, the next question is it is from geometry chapter. The distance between center and a point on a given circle is what is the radius of the circle? So very simple question. You can easily solve this question within like 2 to 3 minutes in the examination. Next question is the sum of rupee P and Q are invested for 10 years at 10% simple interest. If the simple interest earned on the two sums are equal, then how is P related to Q? Okay, so this question is from simple interest chapter, and you can at least take like 2 to 3 minutes or hardly 4 minutes to solve this type of question in the examination. Okay, and but again, if you are very sure about the about the solution, then only attempt, or otherwise you will lose your marks, 0.25 marks for the correctly answered question 2. Okay, the next question is from boat and stream question, and it is a boat moving in still water enter a river and goes down. What will happen to its speed? Okay, question from HCF and LCM chapter, very simple question. Next again we are seeing question from mensuration chapter. A 10-meter long rectangle is cut in half to form two squares. If the side of the square is 5 meter, find the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, we have asked what is the square root of square root of 16. Okay, like what is here asked, what is the square root of what will be the square root of 16, and what will be the square root of that number also? The correct answer is 2 here. Next question, a person covered a distance of t. So like this is a question from time, speed and distance chapter. You just in this only the concept is asked in this question, no further calculation is asked. Question from probability chapter. Now very simple question from simplification chapter, like what will be the cube root of 27? So the cube root of 27 is 3. Now plus root of 4. So plus root of 4 is 2. So 3 plus 2, 5, and plus 1. So the correct answer is here 6. Now the question is, a man buys a box for rupees 400 and sell it for rupees 4. Find the profit. So you just find the profit, and the correct answer is 44 rupees. Very simple question. You just don't have to do the calculation. It's verbally the answer is like you can just see the question and pick the questions. Next question from a ratio and proportion. In a class there are 30 boys and 14 girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls? So what you can do here is just easily in a class there are 30 boys, and what is the ratio of boys to girls? So the correct answer you can see here is 15:7. Just reduce the numbers. Okay, 3 babies are born at 6 a.m. on consecutive days, the 15th, 16th, and what is the sum of their ages on the 18th of that month? So I think this question is time taking question. This question is time taking. So if you are very sure about the answer, then only attempt, otherwise don't take risk on this question. Okay, next question is from time and work chapter. PQRS can finish a work in 1, 2, 3, 4 days respectively, and if P and Q start working together to finish work in the shortest path, then find the. So hardly this question can take like 2 to 3 minutes in the examination to solve. Next question is from pipe and cistern chapter. Now this is a big I think this is lengthy question, so I'll say that do not waste your time in this question if you are not sure about the answer, and you can move ahead for other question. So these are the 15 questions of maths subject. Now let's move to the next section, which is general awareness, GK or current affairs section. So the very first question is, which of the following is in Odisha neighboring state? Next, who scored the first double century in one day international cricket match? These questions are static facts question. Who among the following person won the Nobel Prize for Physics? Select the word which complete? The present Chief Minister of Odisha was selected from Dash Vidhan Sabha constituency. So as you know that this paper is of Odisha state, so definitely some questions will be asked from Odisha state in the examination and in all the upcoming Odisha examinations too. Okay, the longest dam Hirakund Mahanandi river is located on which district of Odisha? Next, Mangalayan mission is also known as MOMs. You have to write what is the full form of MOM here. India is a federal union comprising 28 states and how many union territories? Okay. Next question, which district is also known as home of elephants and tigers due to presence of dense forest here? Odisha, again question from Odisha. Odisha is recognized as a role model in the country for its excellent social status, disaster management techniques, land of fairy tales or media coverage. Next, who is the present president of Congress party? Next, select the states to which the river Mahanadi flows. So you just have to write like from which state this Mahanadi river flows or passes through. Which states have been has or have the highest literacy rates in India? And the correct answer is Kerala. Now, next question, select the word which completes the given sentence. The first Kalinga award was dash awarded in dash in which year and by which person by which person or by which committee? It is asked here. Select the word which completes the given constituency declares India sovereign dash dash and dash democratic republic. Next, identify the color present in ISRO logo. So you have to identify that which color is present in ISRO logo. Now all these 15 questions are from GK, GA or current affairs part of the examination. Now let's move forward, and from here logical reasoning section is started. Now it is written, this question is from coding decoding chapter, and it is written, if Ria codes A as 1, then how will she code C? The correct answer is here is 3. You know the positional value of A is 1, so definitely the positional value of C is 3. The correct answer is here 3. Now next question is use a relationship between the first two words to find the missing word. Okay, so as you know that Odia is the language of Odisha, so definitely Marathi is the language of Maharashtra state. So the correct answer is Maharashtra here. Next question is from order and ranking chapter. It is given Raj Lakshmi is 5th and last person in a row. Is a 5th and last person in a row. How many persons are there in the row? So you can just apply the formula of left plus right minus 1 is equal to total students wala, and then you can easily solve this question. Next question, it is given what number will come next in the sequence. So like 12, 13, 15, 18 and 22. So here's number series is given to you, and you have to write that what will be the correct answer. So as you can see that there will be a pattern of +1, +2, +3, +4 in the series. So the correct answer will be, you will add +5 in 22 and you will get correct answer 27. So here the correct answer is 27. Next, which term will come next in the given sequence? Again question from series chapter, and the pattern here given is 1, 3 and B, 4, 6 and E, and 7, 9 and 8. So what you can see, what will be the pattern here? 1, the positional value of A is 1, the positional value of 3 of C is 3, and B come between A and B come between A and C. So this is the pattern which is following here. So what will be the correct answer here? You can easily find. So now let's move forward. The correct answer will be here 10, 11 and 12. So you know the positional value of K is 11. So option number 2 is correct answer here. Now let's move forward. There are 20 dozen eggs kept in a bucket. How many eggs are there in the bucket? So just multiply 20 multiply by 12, and the correct answer is 240 here. Next is numbers 1 to 9 are arranged in a row. 1 is added to each row in the new row. Find the position of number 2. So again question from order and ranking chapter. You can easily solve this question. Next is Dheeraj is Sulekha's brother. Dheeraj is Sulekha's brother. Sulekha is Rishabh's sister. Sulekha is Rishabh's sister. How is Dheeraj related to Rishabh? So as you can see that Dheeraj is Sulekha's brother, and Rishabh is also and Sulekha is also sister of Rishabh. Then Dheeraj and Rishabh both are brother. So the correct answer is option C here. Next, user relationship, again question from analogy chapter is here. Triple A, B, C, D, triple V. Okay, so the pattern here is A, triple A. Now what comes after A in the alphabet series? B, C, D. Okay, so what comes after V in the alphabetical series? U, V, W, X and Y. So the correct answer will be option A here, W, X, Y. Move forward. Let's move forward. Each letter of the term cool is replaced by its next letter in the alphabetical order. Find the final word. So what will be the correct answer? C. C will be replaced by D. M, N, O. Double O will be replaced by P. And what comes after L? M. So the correct answer will be option A. D, double P and M. Find the last term of the following sequence: B, A, C, E, D, C and E, D. So this is the pattern of a reverse alphabetical series: A, B, then B, C, then C, D, then T, E. So what will be the correct answer here? Option number C, E, F. Okay. Now let's move forward. Shaina follows a pattern. She works on first 2 days and takes rest on third day. If she begins on Monday, which day will she not work in the same way? Okay. So if she is working on Monday and Tuesday, then definitely she'll take rest on Wednesday. Then again she'll work on Thursday and Friday. Then definitely she'll take rest on Saturday. So the correct answer is option C here. Find the value of the last term of the sequence. Okay. So this is a question from again sequence or number series pattern. So you just have to find the pattern and you can give the answer. Okay. Next. We have the question from Venn diagram chapter. Identify the diagram that best represent the relationship among the given classes. Okay, sweet, sugar and fruit. Okay, so what pattern is given here? Sweet, sugar and fruit. Okay, so you have to give a correct pattern from here. Now, let's move forward. Question from clock chapter. An hour end is 10 centimeter long, and how much distance is covered by its tip in a clock. So you can easily apply the formula which we are using in the clock chapter, and you can easily solve this question. Okay, so these are the 15 questions from LR chapter. This section have high weightage of a series chapter, but it is a mixed section. All the questions were asked from different chapters, so we are not saying that any topic is not covered here, but the major weightage of series chapter. Now let's move forward. The next section is the computer section. Which one of the following shortcut keys is used to paste a file? The correct answer is option number C. Select the most appropriate word which is complete the sentence. Computer, a machine can do sequence of arithmetic and dash work. Okay. Again, fill in the blanks. A computer network is a group of dash which can share resources. A group of network. What is MS Word? What is MS Word? A big word, a dictionary, a word processor, a computer name. So correct option is option C here. Select the odd name out of the given. Hard disk drive, keyboard, pen drive, floppy disk. So you know hard disk drive, pen drive and floppy disk is a memory saver, is a memory saver device in which all your files or folders is being stored. But keyboard is not a file, is not a memory based driver. So the correct answer is keyboard here. What is the full form of Gmail? It is asked here. Next, let's move forward. Which of the following word describe the term email? So again, you have to fill the correct full form of email here. Now next, what does a byte represent in a common computer? Okay. Next, by default your document print in dash mode. ठीक है, landscape, page setup, portrait or print view. Next, Charles Babbage, the computer inventor was a doctor, chemist, physicist and mathematician. So students who have been who have learnt whole history of computer, all the generations of the computer, definitely know the answer of this question. When was Google search engine created? Okay, who wrote the first computer program? Next question, which of the following cannot be done through the computer? Food delivery, online shopping, download movies or web conference. Definitely the very first option, food delivery, is the correct answer here. Next, select the word type which completes the sentence. ASCII has just dash code points. Out of these, only dash are printable characters. Now, which state has the highest number of cybercrime police station in India? And these all are 15 questions from computer chapter. Again, this is a mixed section. No question is asked from any repeated chapter. This is a mixed section. Questions were asked from all the chapters of computer here. Now the next question is situational based section, in which a situation is given to you and you have to pick like what will you do in this situation. Okay, so the very first question is, you find a baby weeping in a park, which means a baby is right there in the park and the baby is weeping, like it's weeping. What is the meaning of weeping? Slowly crying. Okay, so what will you do? Take a baby to the doctor, gives the baby to someone, take the baby to your home, report the matter to the police. So definitely the correct answer will be option D here. Okay, now next question, what will you do? Again, a situation is given. You are giving your speech at a park. Suddenly a listener standing close to you falls down. Okay, so what will you do? Leave the park, ignore the incident, help the fallen listener, stand idle for some time. Correct answer, you will help the fallen listener here. Okay, next what would you do? Next situation is, you are in a restaurant having lunch. A beggar asks you for food. Okay, what will you do? Feed the beggar, scold the beggar, ignore the beggar, or give money to the beggar. The correct answer is feed the beggar. Okay, next, your bathroom tap is dripping and leaking water and is constant source of annoying noise. You will. Okay, so what will you do in this situation? Start sleeping with pillows upon your ears. Now this is very unrealistic situation given here. Place a bucket below the tap, call a plumber to fix the tap, or ignore the situation till the water gets empty in the tank. So definitely you will call a plumber to fix the tap here. Okay, next question is, Radhika was traveling in a train from Bhopal to Delhi. She noticed that a man fall off the train from the coach behind her coach. What action should be taken by Radhika? Quickly pull the alarm chain so that the train may be stopped and the man may be helped. Shout at the falling man, asking him to get up quickly and train. Get off the train and help the fallen man, or wait until the train stops at the next fallen station and inform the local railway authorities here. So here two options can be the answer. That the very first option, quickly pull the alarm chain, and the second option, that wait until the train stops at the next following station. Okay, next question, what would you do? You are at your school, you find a student smoking in the playground. Now take the smoker to the doctor. No, report the matter to the police station. Redo the same mistake to teach the smoker, or inform the teacher about the smoking incident. So definitely option D will be the correct answer here. Now you hit a ball with a bat which breaks your neighbor's window glass. Okay, now would you put the blame on someone else, ask for a ball back from a house member, accept your mistake and pay to replace the glass, play with a new ball and act like nothing happened? So the correct option is option C here. What would you do in the given situation? You just came out of your home, you realized that you forgot to take your wallet. Okay, now next, dial 100 for help. No, this is not a very big matter in which you have to call the police here. Go back to your home, go to your office as usual, use your mobile for online payment. Okay, so it is written you just came out of your home, which means you are not very distant from your home, so you can easily go back to your home and can take your wallet from your home. Okay, so the correct answer is option D here. What would you do in the situation? You are sitting in a club and the band plays the national anthem. Okay, start dancing, start clapping, stand at attention, stand with folded hand. Definitely option C will be the correct answer here. Now next, you find a puppy in the park. Offer food to the puppy, try to find the puppy's owner, leave the puppy in the park, take the puppy to your home. So you can do two things in this situation: offer food to the puppy or try to find the puppy's owner. But the most realistic option will be offer food to the puppy. Next is, you are in exam hall. There is no one to collect the final answer sheet from the examinees. Option, call your father for help, leave the answer sheet in the hall, wait for exam teacher to return, go to the concerned authority office. So in this situation, you have to wait for the exam teacher to return, or you can also go to concerned authority office here. Both the actions will be right in this situation. Next is, you realize your computer has been hacked. Okay, now what will we do? Shut down your computer, reinstall security software, call an anti-hacking expert, report the matter to police. So in this situation, first reinstall security software, and then just if there is nothing major happened from your computer, then it is okay. Otherwise, just report this matter to the police. Okay, both the situations where both the options can be correct, but the most realistic one will be reinstall security software. Okay. Next is, what would you do in the given situation? You are batting, you face two consecutive bouncers in an over. Okay, play the bouncers, then play as usual, leave the bouncers, then play as usual, play the bouncers, then contact your captain, leave the bouncers, then and then contact the leave the bouncers, then contact umpire. Now this is very this is very like confusing situation, that if you are batting and if you are facing two consecutive bouncers, then I think in this situation you have to leave the bouncer and you have to contact the umpire in that situation. What would you do in the given situation? You see an advertisement by Delhi police. Its headline is dash. Two-wheelers are meant for only two. Okay. Now, what will you do? Ignore the advertisement. Advise people not to follow. No, you should not do that. Go to the police station for more detail. Limit the number of riders on your bike. The correct answer is option D here. Now, next situation, you find that a shopkeeper is using the wrong weight in the market. Okay, beat the shopkeeper, no, ask the culprit to close his shop, report the matter to the police, inform the nearby shopkeeper about the incident. So the correct answer is option C here. So all these are 15 questions of situational based, and all these are very simple questions. Like these questions are asked from our day-to-day life incidents only, so you can easily answer these questions. And we have the last section. The last section is from Odia subject only, Odia language subject. So here 10 question is asked from this language. I am sure that all these 20 questions were also very easy, because I have seen that this paper is from easy to moderate level of difficulty today. Okay, and if you have prepared for this examination very well, you can easily attempted this question very well. Like out of 100 question, I think like 85 to 90 question can be easily attempted by any student if you have done your preparation very well. Okay, so I hope you will like this video, and for more upcoming such videos, you can subscribe to our channel. We have already uploaded other Odisha PYPs also in our channel. If you have liked the video, please like to the video and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.